What's up, Aristocats? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cooldown using Debounce. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, funny. So anyways, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this part, which we are going to give a name, because you always want to name your parts. Never leave them as just part. It creates really, if you ever have to edit anything, it makes a lot of confusion. So, if you haven't been naming your parts, you're probably going to be in big trouble. But we're going to call this, we're just going to call it click part, because it's what we're going to be clicking on in order to make the very creatively named subject change. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to make it so that when this part is clicked, this little thing here changes to be collisions off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, so I'm going to color code this real quick so that it's easier to identify them. But we're going to go in here, we're going to add our click detector so that obviously we can click on the part in the first place. We're going to add the script right there, and we're going to just do this. First, we are going to define the location of the part we are changing. So locals, I'm going to do it in lowercase. Local subject equals workspace dot subject. If it's in a group, you would obviously, or if it's in a different place, you'd obviously do a different path to find where the part is. It just depends on where the part is. But that's for you to figure out. So we're gonna have, so that defines this what the subject is, and then we're gonna do local local debounce equals false, and that just means the word debounce means false. It's confusing, but trust me, with some time you'll come to understand it. And we're gonna go down and we're gonna do function on clicked. So we're creating a function here. And then we're going to do that. What's the end? We're going to go after end, we're going to do script dot parent dot click detector dot mouse click. So basically, this is saying script's parent, and then finding the click detector, and then finding the part of the click detector that basically says, hey, this has been clicked. And then we're going to do connect on clicked. So that basically, this part tells us that this function happens when this click detector is activated. So pretty cool. So we're going to go in here, we're going to do enter. Oh wait, I already did an enter. We're going to do tab, and we're going to go if not debounce, then. What that means is that if debounce equals false, which it does, it is going to do the following. We're going to do subject dot can collide equals false, and then we're going to do debounce equals true. So that now means debounce equals true. So it changes this from false to true, which makes it so that this cannot be activated again. After you've done that, you're going to do task.wait. You could also just do wait, but I prefer task.wait. Thank you, Soda, for that piece of advice. And I'm going to do the amount of time that I want it to wait for. Or you could also do local, or I'm just going to do local wait underscore time. There we go. That fixes the issue. If you guys have a lot of these task.waits within your script, just do local wait underscore time, and you go wait underscore time, and then you can edit every single one of them at once. So we're gonna do 5 seconds. There we go. So now wait time is 5 seconds. We're gonna say debounce equals false again. So now this can be executed again. And also, we're gonna make it so that the subject dot can collide equals true. So we've done that. And if we wanted to do like another interval in between this and when you're able to click it again, because it's a cooldown, so we might want that. So I'll add that. And I actually don't want to wait that long, so we're just going to do 3. Then what we want to do is if debounce, then return. And there we go. So let's watch this. Let's see this in action here. We're gonna go into here. So we got the click part. We got the subject. You can walk on the subject. Now I click on it, and it goes through the floor because I made a common mistake. I forgot to anchor the part. Remember to anchor your parts, folks. Okay, now we do the click, and it stays there, but we can walk through it. Isn't that crazy? And after like a couple seconds, see? And now I can't click it again. It doesn't work. And now it works because the cooldown went down. See, isn't that crazy? It's awesome. So, there you guys go. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Have a good day.